Drone hopper Androni Giocattoli. Drone hopper Androni Giocattoli UCI team code. DRA is an Italian registered UCI Pro Team cycling team that participates in road bicycle racing events on the UCI Continental circuits and when selected as a wildcard to UCI World Tour events. Antonio Castano manages the team, with assistance from Directors Sportifs Giovanni Elena, Gianni Savio, Didier Paindevine, and Marco Bellini. The main sponsors are Androni Giocattoli, a toy manufacturer of Cidermec, a fabricated plate work products maker with their subsidiary Endumit. Doping. On 5 June 2014, Patrick Facchini gave an adverse analytical finding for 2-aminoheptane and was consequently banned for 10 months. On 30 June 2015, David Apollonio gave an adverse analytical finding for EPO and was provisionally suspended. On 27 July 2015, Fabio Tabora gave a positive test result for the banned blood booster FG- 4592 in an out-of-competition control on 16 June. The team were automatically suspended by the UCI under new rules. FG- 4592 roxadustat is in Phase 3 clinical trials and has not yet been commercialized. The drug was developed jointly by Fibrogen and AstraZeneca. Unlike EPO, which directly stimulates the production of red blood cells, FG- 4592 is taken orally and stimulates natural production of EPO in a manner similar to altitude training. This class of compounds has been outlawed by WADA. The UCI subsequently suspended the team for 30 days. Team roster. As of 5 February 2022. Major wins. National champions.